Christian Hernandez here for the SVG Sports Cloud Production Forum in New York City. Very pleased to be joined by Andrew Reich. He is with AWS, the title sponsor of this event. Andrew, how you doing, sir, and how's the event so far?
I'm doing great. It's going well. Very exciting.
Really appreciate your participation. We joked around before this started. You've been on 3 different panels. You did the welcoming remarks, so you've put in enough time at this event. Let's start with question number 1. Obviously, AWS is a huge player in the cloud space, not only just in sports, but in other avenues. What are the recent updates and latest developments from the AWS front?
We're really excited about the momentum around generative AI and its ability to really accelerate innovation for customers, for sports customers. Amazon Q, which is used for querying internal data. We'll see Swimming Australia use that for the Paris Olympics 2024. Gathering insights from training for their athletes, and coaches use those insights to help their athletes. So it's really exciting. What we're doing with Bundesliga around large language models and personalization to generate written commentary in different languages and personalize that commentary for different types of fans. So really exciting.
Right. It's funny. Everyone says it about this sector of the industry, but this industry is always changing, and it's nothing more true than in the cloud side. So from your perspective, what are some of the industry trends that you're seeing, and how are you helping your clients navigate those changes?
Absolutely. We just hit on, I think generative AI is a big one, and a lot of personalization and, catering different types of content to end users and to consumers. And another topic, live cloud production, I think that's a big area where, we're seeing a lot of customers lean into the idea of alternate broadcasts and catering, new experiences and new types of broadcasts for fans to ultimately bring new fans into the game and understand the game, but consume it in different ways. With the NHL, we looked at analytics broadcast, so we piloted on March 22nd, in addition to a main cloud broadcast, but also a broadcast driven around analytics and stats. So it's really exciting.
Right. And the last question for you, as a title sponsor, you guys are a huge part of this event. But outside of that, the conversations that you're having here, or just forwarding the conversation about cloud in general, why do you think it was important to be here and also be so immersed in this event?
I think it's awesome, and what SVG does is outstanding. Really bringing everyone together from the industry. It's such a fast-paced industry. So to bring everyone together to enable and encourage more learning and collaboration. On the theme of cloud production, when you look at all the benefits that it can bring to the industry, when you think about sustainability and cost effectiveness and scale and agility, flexibility, there's so many really things that it does and benefits that it brings to the table to really promote that learning and bring people together, and also hear different perspectives, hear from people maybe why are they hesitant, moving operations to the cloud. It's just, to really get that collaboration is really important. One note, when we think about what we did on March 22nd with the NHL, when we look at what broadcasts like that can do for the environment and sustainability, if we were to do that same production traditionally on-prem, it would have been 2.05 metric tons of carbon. So we could save that by doing that in the cloud, or as the network currently does remote production, REMI already, but it just shows the impacts. Like 2.05 metric tons of carbon, that's a lot. So it's really great what we can save by moving at least some operations to the cloud for now, and then hopefully in the future more and more adoption as more folks get comfortable with cloud production and with cloud adoption for their video workflows. Hopefully we'll see more adoption.
Sure. Driving the way that productions are done in the future in a more responsible way. Well, from everyone at SVG, just want to say thank you again for sponsoring this event, being here and doing this. Thank you for the time, and Andrew, it was great meeting you.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Andrew Reich here at the SVG Sports Cloud Production Forum in New York City. For more news like this one, Andrew in New York, please head over to our website at sportsvideo.org.